What's up, guys? Today we'll be visiting the beautiful Caribbean island of Cozumel. It's the largest island in all of Mexico, and you can actually drive around the island in the better part of an afternoon. We were here with my entire family, and we rented these awesome buggies for the day. And we'll be stopping at various attractions along the way, some beaches, some Mayan ruins, checking out some of the wildlife. So I hope you'll enjoy our family day in Cozumel. So there are two different ferry companies that will take you to Cozumel. One is Windjet and the other is Ultramar. We chose Windjet, which costs 540 pesos round trip. Once on the island, we headed over to HTL Rentals. We picked this company because they had really good Google reviews, and we reserved ahead of time, so it was perfect. We just got in real quick. And after a brief rundown, we were on the road. Oh, hey guys, pardon me, I was just practicing for driving in my buggy that we rented for about 100 Canadian dollars. I'll put the cost on the screen. Got two of them because we got my sister's family with us, so we got 8 people ripping in the buggies, dude, top down. My hair is blowing in the wind. My hair is blowing in the wind, you can believe that. My sister and her kids really wanted to see the San Gervasio Mayan ruins. Me and Venus had already been there, so we just agreed to wait for them in order to save ourselves a few bucks. The footage you're seeing now is from 2021 when we originally came. While we were waiting, we made friends with some coati. This was our first time getting really up close and personal with them. And you're probably not supposed to feed them, but we hooked them up with half a sandwich. Our second stop was Pla Chan Rio. We pull up and see this crocodile sign, and sure enough, there's a couple crocs laying there. And so Pla Chan Rio is like the most beautiful and popular beach on all of Cozumel, and it has these really nice natural pools that are perfect for cooling off in. And after enjoying the waters of Playa Chan Rio for a little while, we were on the road again. We were on a mission to find somewhere to eat and drink. So eventually we found a good Reg Bar to stop for some food, and there was actually live entertainment. And it was New Year's Eve, so we decided to buy a very expensive bottle of tequila. After we were done at the Reg Bar, we decided to stop at El Cedro. And El Cedro is a little town in the middle of the jungle. And it's a really quaint little town. It's pretty cool. There's actually a couple attractions there. There's some Mayan ruins. There's a cenote, which was closed when we went. And there's lots of cool little shops where you can buy Mayan-made souvenirs. After we were done in El Cedro, we stopped at this really cool Reg Bar. I'll put the name up on the screen. And they have this really thick pet pig who's obviously been eating way too much pub food. And it's a really cool place. They have a lot of photo ops here. You can order food and drinks, but we had already eaten, so we were just stopping by to see the attraction. So when you rent the cars, you actually have them for 24 hours, but we had ferry tickets back to Playa del Carmen, so we had to give them up. Overall, we had a blast, and we had to wait a little while to catch our ferry, unfortunately. So we wandered around town for a little bit. I got some helado, which is Mexican ice cream, and we had the greatest burger in all of Mexico, the famous star from Carl's Jr. Anyways, guys, that concludes our trip with the family to Cozumel, and I'm just gonna leave you with this beautiful sunset. I'm not really sure why my voice is like this. Toodles.